All right, so in these examples, these last three examples that we did not cover in class, I just wanted to create a quick video for these. With these two questions, you're going to be using our triangle, okay? Cost, percent, and sales. And so if we were looking at this first question, we're looking for food cost. So we cover up that what's left over, and we would do our sales times our percentage of 32%. Okay. And that would give us our expenses of what our cost should be. Okay. And then we would do the same thing down here. I'm going to do it in a different color. Cost percent sales. I recommend that you go ahead and draw your triangle for each time until you get the hang of it. And so in this case, we're looking for sales. So we cover up sales. And what's left over is our cost divided by our percentage. Move that decimal place over. So 3250 divided by 0.29. And that will give us our final answer. Okay. Now, this next problem is going to combine our increase or decrease and that same, okay? So what we're looking at now is what is our projected sales for a particular period, okay? And so I'm going to go ahead and change this, go to blue, okay? So I'm looking for sales. So ultimately, I've got to get my triangle, cost, percent, sales, okay? But we're looking at our food cost of an increase of 2.5%. So I got to figure out what this cost number is. And so remember, we take that 43,250 and we're going to multiply by 0.025. Move that decimal place over 2 and fill in the blank with a 0. Okay. When we do that, get my calculator going. 43,250 times 0.025. So that is equal to 1,081 and 25 cents. Okay. So I'm going to add that to the original number, 1,081 and 25 cents. Okay. And I'm going to get 44,331.25. So that is my new food cost as I've increased my food cost. Okay. Now I can take that information and that's my new cost number, $44,331.25. And I'm going to divide by my percentage of 30%. Okay, remember that 0 is like a phantom 0. It's out there, but you don't always have to put it in. So now I take $44,331.25, divide by the 0.3, and my answer is $147,770.83. Okay, so that is how I find what my new sales number is based on applying the increase first and then applying my food cost percentage. All right. So I'm going to upload this video so that way you have something to follow when you're doing that chapter 2 quiz.